You have a proxy. You assume it's working. You run accounts through it. Then you wonder why things break. Before you use a proxy for anything important, you need to verify it's actually doing what it's supposed to do. This is one of the most skipped steps, and it's why people blame proxy quality when really their proxy was broken from day one. Let me walk you through 5 essential checks that you need to do before you trust a proxy. Check number 1, IP verification. Go to ipinfo.io. Just visit the site with your proxy enabled. It will show you your current IP address. If the IP matches what your proxy provider told you, that's check 1 passed. If it shows a different IP, something's wrong. Either your proxy isn't routing correctly or you're not actually using the proxy, but that's just the first check. Just because the IP shows correctly doesn't mean the proxy is perfect. Check number 2, geolocation verification across multiple databases. Your IP has a geolocation associated with it, but not all geo databases agree. So you need to check multiple sources. Go to ipinfo.io and note the geolocation. Then go to maxmind.com and check their geolocation for your IP. Then check IP quality score. Check a few more. All of them should place your IP in roughly the same country and city. If one database says Singapore, but another says Malaysia, that's a sign the IP is not well established or is new or suspicious. Platforms use geolocation data to validate accounts. If geolocation databases can't agree on your IP's location, neither can platforms. The check is, do multiple databases agree that your IP is in the right location? Check number 3, ASN classification. This is critical and people skip it constantly. An ASN lookup tells you who owns the IP and what network it's on. Go to bgp.hnet or just use ipnfo.io again. Look at the ASN line. If your proxy is supposed to be a Singapore mobile proxy, the ASN should show a Singapore carrier name like Singtel or StarHub. If it shows VPS Provider Inc., you've got a data center proxy, not a mobile proxy. If it shows Bright Data or Smart Proxy or another proxy network name, then the IP is a known proxy network. Platforms can identify it as such. The check is the ASN showing the type of network your proxy provider claims? Check number 4, WebRTC leak detection. Your browser can leak your real IP through WebRTC, bypassing the proxy entirely. This is a critical vulnerability. Go to browserleaks.com. It will show you any WebRTC leaks. Your real IP shouldn't appear anywhere. Only your proxy IP should show. If your proxy IP shows in the WebRTC leak test, the proxy is working. If your real IP shows, you have a leak. Your proxy is not protecting your identity. Most modern browsers have disabled WebRTC leaks by default, but older versions and some browser configurations can still leak. Check to be sure. The check is, does your real IP appear in the WebRTC leak test? If yes, you have a problem. Check number 5, DNS leak detection. Your DNS queries can also leak your location and identity if you're not careful. Go to dnsleaktest.com. It will show you what DNS servers you're using. They should be DNS servers appropriate to your proxy location, or at minimum, they should be generic public DNS servers. If the DNS servers belong to your home internet provider or your real country, you have a DNS leak. Your queries are revealing information about your real location. The check is, are your DNS servers either appropriate to your proxy location or generic? Okay, those are the 5 technical checks. But technical checks aren't everything. Platform level testing is critical too. Take the actual platform you're targeting. Try to access region locked content. If your proxy is supposed to be Singapore, try to access Singapore specific content from google.com.sg or local streaming services. Does the site think you're in Singapore? Do you get Singapore specific results? Similarly, try the account creation process if you're planning to create accounts. Does the platform think you're in the right location? Does it offer local payment methods or let you select Singapore as your country? If the platform is rejecting your location, your proxy isn't working right. Command line verification is another layer. If you have curl installed, you can test your proxy from the command line. Use curl with your proxy settings and hit ipinfo.io. This will show you the IP that ipinfo.io sees coming from your proxy. It's another way to verify the proxy is routing correctly. You can automate this. Set up a script that runs these checks daily or weekly. Call ipinfo.io. Pass the JSON response. Verify the IP, ASN, and geolocation. If anything changes unexpectedly, alert you. This is especially important if you're running accounts remotely or via automation. You want to know immediately if a proxy dies or if rotation happened unexpectedly. Here's the thing. Proxies fail silently sometimes. Your proxy provider might have a network issue, or an IP might get flagged by a platform, and the proxy just stops working, but your script might not detect it. Your account might keep running through a broken proxy, accumulating red flags. Regular health checks prevent this. So before you deploy a proxy, IP check, geo check, ASN check, WebRTC leak check, DNS leak check, platform level check. 5 minutes of work potentially saves weeks of account trouble. And after deployment, weekly health checks. Monitor for changes, alert on failures. This is the difference between a professional setup and an amateur setup. Professionals verify. Amateurs assume.